If you're an administrator, you're going to love how quick it is to get Originality AI running in Moodle. First, install the plugin. You can do this by using Moodle's built-in installation feature or by uploading the zip file downloaded from moodle.org. Once it's installed, go to your plugins menu, then scroll down to the plagiarism section. You'll see the Originality AI Plagiarism plugin listed there. Here, you can configure your options, and you'll choose where Originality AI can be used: in assignments, forms or discussions, and quizzes with essay-type questions. You can also set a default student disclosure, which notifies students when Originality AI is being used, and choose a default detection model for your institution. But teachers can still change this for their own assignments. Finally, add your Originality AI API base URL and your API key. If you don't know these, reach out to us. We're happy to help. And that's it. Once configured, the plugin will be available for all teachers to enable in any assignment, form, or quiz in their courses.